Okay, Yuri, you come from Belgium
Yes.
here to Mallorca for the shooting days.
Yes.
You're a photographer, you are a beginner of photographer, right? Tell me, what are you learn here for shooting days?
What I learned, I would like to say that I learned a lot. So it's not just using the camera, but also I learned how to talk with the model, how to arrange the light, how to shoot inside, how to shoot outside. So I really learned a lot about everything, I would say.
Beautiful. And what was for you the most interesting thing here on the shooting days? What do you learn? What do you think?
The most interesting thing was that I got like all the attention. I got like the personal coaching, and like the personal approach, which was adjusted just to my level. That liked that very much, and the fact that I learned so much here, which maybe in other places I would learn in 5 years, but now maybe in 5 or 4 days.
Cool, very cool. It's a great compliment for me, and I don't pay the dinner now or something. Very, very great. Thank you for the compliment.
Thank you for the coaching.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. You are a very good photographer. Well, we have a very good, and thank you for you all. She showed it.
I show my shoulder.
Yes.
She learned to show the shoulder. What do you think about the shooting days? You have a lot of experience of photography. It's very rainy today. A lot of experience in photography for photo workshops. What do you think about?
Be honest, I wasn't ready that I will be like one model in these days. So you push me up when you said, for example, bad words to me in a good case. I was surprised. It's something really new, good experience. I'm so happy, and I'm really glad, and I want to say thank you for you that you invite us here. Thank you for you that you make very nice photo shoot for us, for me, for you.
And we have beautiful picture, right?
Yeah, we will check it in a few days.
Yeah.
When our emotions will go down, but what we saw, it's perfect.
Really, really nice, yes. I want to say thank you.
Thank you.
To you and to our paella comes now, and now we stop the interview. Thank you for all.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.